Good morning, friends. It's another beautiful day, and the rains have started, so I'm slowly building my food forest. And today I'm unboxing my hot chili pepper, hot bird's eye chili. Look at how beautiful. Wow, strong. This is an organic planting container. Let me show you. I told you in the last video, I showed you how to use this organic container, and I told you can even plant this whole box into the ground. Because let me show you down here. Look, if I try to lift this, see, it's already decomposing. So I can't even lift it from here. So I'm just going to unbox this chili. So today we are going to plant organic chili. I already have the bed prepared. This is the bed. Chili is good to boost your immunity. Adds extra spice to your dishes. Wow, look at it. So they've been here for more than 2 months, and I used zero-cost seeds to plant this chili. Please watch the video on zero-cost seeds. I'll do another one on chili. But for chili you have to be patient. It took me over 2 months to get here. So now it's time to plant them. Let's do this. So in this container I've got compost, which I'm going to quickly add to all the holes. I love using compost to make my plants organic. That makes them strong. And when your plants are strong, they are resistant to diseases. So you just add a generous amount of compost to all the holes. The roots of chili plants grow close to the surface. So you just add a generous amount of compost to all the holes. I'm going to do that very fast. Then we're going to unbox our chili. Hot chili, hot chili. So I'm looking forward to make some chili sauce. That's from my basket garden. Affordable chili, enough chili. So in 3 months, I should be harvesting a lot of chili. So the compost is done. It's time for unboxing. Okay, before we unbox, let me just give you the final close look and we select some. So I want to take this one. Wow, I want to take this one. This one. This side. So I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm only going to take 7. Then I'm going to plant others in a different bed. And my intention is to mix up the chili with other crops. So then I've planted them close together. This is it's about 40 centimeters from here. Let me see if we can, all the way to here. So about 40 centimeters apart. But they're going to grow big. So because they are close together, they'll shade each other, and that will also stimulate good growth. And I'm also going to put a greenhouse just to protect the young plants until they're established, like my other plants here. So I'm also going to put a greenhouse on them. So let me get something that we can unbox and plant our chili. Okay. So I'm going to use this. Carefully. Carefully unbox my chili. So let's see how the roots look like. Oh, a motorbike. Oh, happy birthday to you. Carefully, just get down. Yay! So here it is. Wow, how beautiful. How beautiful. Hot bird's eye chili. So you've seen how the roots look like. Okay, so I'm going to place it just on the hole, then I'm going to plant together. I'll get another one really fast. Okay, this corner. Let's get this one right at the corner. So you just get down. Another one. So you try as much as possible not to disturb the roots. This one was at the corner, the box here. Look at how the roots are. I hope you can see. So this is hot bird's eye chili. So I'm just going to remove this. And I'm going to plant it with the same soil like this. So I'm going to just place it. Okay, let me get others very fast, then we can move on. So gently. It's this one. Another good one. I wanted to get this one, but no, I don't want to disturb the rest. Let me see if I can get there. This one is dry. I don't know why it dried up. I really want to get this big one. Oops, so okay, step by step. So these are two. The last two now. And I can give you a close look. So these two. Yep. Look at the roots. So you try as much as possible not to disturb the roots. Look at the roots. Let me give you a close look. So you try as much as possible not to disturb the roots, and also when you're transplanting, make sure it's not hot. The weather is just cool, so the sun is not hot, because you don't want to stress the roots, you don't want to stress your plants. So I'm just going to do this, place it inside there. That's it. It's good enough. Some people mix this compost with the soil, but this compost is ready for use. It does not burn plants. It's been there. I've been maturing it for over 3 months. So you just do that. How fast? How fast? And it's very cheap. So when I'm going to the market to buy chili, if you want hot bird's eye chili, it's not easy to get them because most farmers who grow them here grow them for export. So if you want hot bird's eye chili, it's very expensive. So you can grow your own chili, make your own chili sauce. And eating a lot of chili protects you from getting colds. So it strengthens your immunity, boosts your immunity when you eat chili. So you can just do this and get chili, good chili at home. Free, in plenty. So you just do that. Just place the plant firmly. Make sure you don't cover any leaves. Just do it firmly. So here's a closer look. Just do it firmly, gently. Make sure you don't cover the leaves. Just make sure you place the plant is firm, upright. Just place it upright. See the way I'm pressing? So don't breeze the roots. Just like that. One more to go and we are done. So fast. Get good chili at home. Yeah, and the giant one. This was the big one. So I'm going to do it like that. So I'm trying to hold the camera. Use one hand. Don't cover any leaves. Don't cover any leaves. Yeah, the leaf here. Just do it like that. Okay, so now it's time to water them. Make sure I want to make sure I give them some good water, enough amount of water, because now they've just changed environment. They need time again to become stable and to start growing. I've disturbed them a bit by moving them here to the bed, but at least I've tried my best to keep the roots intact. And that's done. So I'm going to get water, and the last step is the greenhouse. So this is what I'm left with, which I'm going to plant on another bed later. So I'm just doing this for demonstration. So let me get water. Wow, look. So let's water our chili. After transplanting, you have to water your plants. I'm just going to do it very fast. It will just take less than a minute. So this is my DIY. So look at what I'm doing. Just round the plant. I've made a trench around the plant so that the water settles there on top. And for now, I'm not going to pour any water on the leaves. Just around. I'm trying my best not to pour any water on the leaves. For now. Let me try and give you a close look so that you see what I'm doing. So this is I've made something like a mini trench around the chili plant. So I'm just watering around here. So the water is not going down because I don't have wooden panels this side. So you just do this so that the water settles here. You just use your hand. You can use your hand, anything you have. And as I always say, just have fun. Just have fun. So you just do that, then you get water. Let me show you. So this is my DIY can, watering can. If you don't have the one that is bought from the store, you just make for yourself. You can save money as you prepare to buy another can, but this one also works. So you just do that. You just go around. You see? You just water around. And don't forget to water, because the plants, they become stressed. They don't get water. Remember, you've just moved them from the box. You've changed the environment. So at the moment they need enough water, just go strong. So you just do that. Just round. That's the big one. Yep. Just do that, just round. Water it thoroughly. Okay, and chili plants don't need a lot of water, but the first time I'm transplanting them, because the ground is dry, I'm going to water them thoroughly. Then every 2 to 3 days I can water them, but for now we just water them thoroughly. Then I'm also going to use a greenhouse here. That's a DIY greenhouse which is working. I think I'll show you an update in the progress of the sweet potato. If you've not watched the video on the greenhouse, please watch the video. It's so easy to make this greenhouse, and it's working. I've used it to revive some dead plants. I forgot to water them. Okay, so that's all. This one was becoming stressed. Look. Let me show you. Look at this one. Then look at this one. See? Enough water. They need enough water. First time, enough water. Just make sure you have. Okay. So the last step now, just to add the greenhouse. So here I have 3 only left over from what I made last time. I've used others, but I have other containers which I'm going to make. Let me just show you. Yeah, here they are. So, okay, stick so that I show you an update of how the other plants are doing. So you just take the greenhouse, and this one is just going to protect it from the hot sun until it becomes established. So once it's strong enough, you just remove it. So this greenhouse, you can use a 20-liter bottle or a 10-liter bottle. Let me just show you the 10-liter bottle. This one. So these are 2 different sizes. These are 2 different sizes. This is the 10-liter. This is the 10-liter bottle. This is the 20-liter bottle. If the plant is big, let's say the height is more than 30 centimeters, you can use the big one. So if it's still small, even this 10-liter bottle works perfectly well. So all you have to do is carefully cover it. So even if around here it's dry, this place is going to be wet. So let's just look inside. Haha, beautiful environment. Wow. I'd be happy if I'm the chili. Okay. So these are the ones I have. I'm just going to place the greenhouse on there. Just carefully, just do it like this. So simple. Like that. Let me get the last one. Let me cover the one that was getting stressed. This one, it was getting stressed. I don't know why, so fast. But I see some yellow, something. Okay, I'm going to find out. Let me cover it for now. See if I can get revived faster. And that's done for this video. Thanks, friends. And okay, I promised an update. Let's just look at the sweet potato, see how the greenhouse is working. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Wow! Look! See? It's almost time to just let it lie down so that it can start growing other roots, because it will grow other roots when it lies down. See? Look at the difference. Look at the difference. And this thing, it works. See the difference. If you've not watched the video, please go and watch the video on the greenhouse. Wow! It's so simple because this area is dry. Look at this place. This is dry. And close to the sweet potato where the greenhouse is, this is wet. So you just put it back carefully. So I think in a few days, you just remove the greenhouse. So the plant is already established. Yo, you can go on. Okay, friends, thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe so that you can learn more simple tips to just build a backyard garden to save money. So even if we go on lockdown, we have plenty of food at a cheap cost. Thank you, friends. See you on the next video. Bye.